From the smallest atoms to the largest galaxies, the universe is filled with wonders that never cease to amaze. We often go about our daily lives, caught up in the hustle and bustle, without realizing the incredible scientific truths that lie just beneath the surface. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open because we're about to embark on a journey to explore 10 of the most unbelievable science facts that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the world around us. Space is vast, filled with billions upon billions of stars and even more planets orbiting them. And while we're still searching for definitive proof of life beyond Earth, we have discovered planets with conditions so extreme they make our world look tame by comparison. Take Neptune and Uranus for example. Imagine a place where the sky isn't blue but a hazy, swirling turquoise. Now picture this, instead of water, diamonds rain down from the atmosphere. You heard that right, diamonds. Deep within the hearts of these ice giants, the pressure is so intense that it literally squeezes carbon atoms into sparkling diamonds. These diamond showers are thought to form high in the atmosphere, where lightning storms transform methane gas into pure carbon. As these carbon atoms fall through the dense, turbulent atmosphere, they collide with others, bonding together and growing larger and larger. By the time they reach the planet's core, they've transformed into a dazzling rain of diamonds. While we haven't yet sent a probe deep enough to witness this diamond rain firsthand, the scientific evidence is compelling. It's a testament to the awe-inspiring power of the universe and the incredible phenomena that occur beyond our own planet. The human brain is perhaps the most complex and mysterious object in the known universe. It's the command center of our body, responsible for everything from our thoughts and emotions to our movements and senses. But here's a fact that might electrify you. Your brain is a powerhouse of electrical activity. Right now as you're watching this, billions of neurons in your brain are firing, transmitting information through tiny electrical impulses. This intricate network of neurons generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb, about 20 watts of power. That's right, you have a light show going on inside your head right now. This electrical activity is what allows us to think, learn, and experience the world around us. Scientists can even measure these electrical signals using techniques like EEG, which allows them to study brain activity and diagnose conditions like epilepsy. So the next time you have a brilliant idea or solve a complex problem, remember that it's the power of your brain's electrical symphony that's making it all possible. Dive down into the depths of the ocean, and you'll encounter creatures that seem like they've been plucked straight out of a science fiction novel. Among the most fascinating of these deep-sea denizens are octopuses, masters of camouflage and intelligence. These cephalopods are already renowned for their problem-solving skills and uncanny ability to change color and texture to blend in with their surroundings. But what you might not know is that octopuses possess some truly alien physiology. For starters, they have not one, not two, but 3 hearts pumping blood through their bodies. 2 of these hearts are dedicated to circulating blood to the gills, where it picks up oxygen, while the 3rd heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to the rest of the body. And if 3 hearts weren't enough, octopuses also have blue blood. Unlike humans, whose blood gets its red color from iron-rich hemoglobin, octopus blood relies on a copper-containing protein called hemocyanin. This gives their blood a distinctive blue hue, but there's a practical reason for this unusual adaptation. Hemocyanin is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments like the deep ocean. It's just another example of the incredible ways that life on Earth has evolved to thrive in even the most extreme habitats. Few natural phenomena are as awe-inspiring and terrifying as a lightning storm. The raw power of a single lightning bolt is enough to make the hairs on your arms stand on end, and for good reason. These bolts of electrical discharge pack an incredible punch, both in terms of energy and sheer heat. We all know that lightning is hot, but did you know that a single bolt can reach temperatures 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? That's right, while the sun's surface simmers at a scorching 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, a lightning bolt can reach a staggering 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme heat is generated by the rapid movement of electrons within the lightning channel. As these charged particles collide with air molecules, they transfer their energy, causing the air to heat up to incredible temperatures in a fraction of a second. This rapid heating causes the air to expand explosively, creating the sonic boom we know as thunder. So the next time you witness a lightning storm, remember the incredible forces at play and the sheer heat unleashed in a single bolt of lightning. Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet in our solar system, is a world of extremes. It's a place where the sun blazes fiercely in the sky, and temperatures can swing by hundreds of degrees between day and night. But perhaps the most peculiar thing about Mercury is its bizarre relationship with time. You see, on Mercury a day is longer than a year. That's right, it takes longer for Mercury to rotate once on its axis than it does to complete a full orbit around the Sun. To be precise, a day on Mercury, from sunrise to sunrise, lasts a grueling 59 Earth days. However, Mercury zips around the Sun at breakneck speed, completing an orbit in just 88 Earth days. This means that if you were to stand on the surface of Mercury, you'd experience a year, a complete journey around the Sun before you'd even see a single sunset. Talk about a time warp. Water, the elixir of life, is essential for life as we know it. Here on Earth, we're fortunate to have an abundance of water, covering over 70% of our planet's surface. But did you know that there's a giant water cloud in space that dwarfs even the largest oceans on Earth? This colossal cloud of water vapor was discovered by astronomers using a combination of ground-based and space-based telescopes. It surrounds a quasar, a supermassive black hole billions of light-years away from Earth. And when we say giant, we truly mean it. This cosmic water cloud contains an estimated 140 trillion times the amount of water found on Earth. That's enough water to fill all the oceans on Earth trillions of times over. This discovery has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It suggests that water is not only common but abundant throughout the cosmos, even in the most unlikely of places. Chapter 7. Bananas, those ubiquitous yellow fruits, are a staple in many of our diets. They're packed with potassium, a vital mineral that helps our bodies function properly. But here's a fact that might make you look at your next banana in a new light. Bananas are slightly radioactive. Don't worry though, the amount of radiation emitted by a banana is extremely small and poses no threat to human health. The reason bananas are slightly radioactive is that they contain a naturally occurring isotope called potassium-40. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have the same number of protons but a different number of neutrons. Potassium-40 is a radioactive isotope of potassium, meaning it undergoes radioactive decay, emitting particles and energy in the process. But before you swear off bananas forever, remember that the dose of radiation you receive from eating a banana is minuscule compared to the background radiation we're exposed to every day from natural sources like cosmic rays and radon gas. Chapter 8. Neutron stars. A teaspoon of star stuff. Imagine a celestial object so incredibly dense that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons. That's the mind-boggling reality of neutron stars, the remnants of massive stars that have exploded as supernovae. Neutron stars are born from the death throes of stars much more massive than our Sun. When these stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they can no longer support themselves against their own gravity, and their cores collapse in on themselves. This collapse is so violent that it forces protons and electrons together, forming neutrons. The result is an object composed almost entirely of neutrons, packed together with incredible density. To give you an idea of just how dense neutron stars are, imagine squeezing all the mass of our Sun, which is about 333,000 times the mass of Earth, into a sphere with a radius of about 6 miles, roughly the size of a small city. Chapter 9. Exploding metals. We typically think of metals as being relatively inert substances. We use them to build everything from skyscrapers to smartphones, and they don't usually explode on contact with water. However, there are some metals that react so violently with water that they can cause spectacular explosions. Metals like sodium and potassium are highly reactive alkali metals. These elements are so eager to give up their outermost electron that they react explosively with water, producing hydrogen gas and heat. When sodium or potassium is dropped into water, it reacts to form sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide respectively, and hydrogen gas. This reaction releases a significant amount of heat, enough to ignite the flammable hydrogen gas, resulting in an explosion. These reactions are a testament to the incredible diversity of the periodic table and the fascinating ways that different elements can interact with each other. Chapter 10. A Cosmic Conundrum. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders that we are only beginning to comprehend. As astronomers peer deeper into the cosmos, they continue to make discoveries that challenge our understanding of the universe and its fundamental laws. One such discovery is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a colossal structure so vast that it stretches for billions of light-years across the observable universe. This cosmic behemoth is a giant cluster of galaxies, a gravitationally bound collection of thousands of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. The sheer scale of the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is mind-boggling. It spans an estimated 10 billion light-years, making it the largest known structure in the observable universe. To put that into perspective, our own Milky Way galaxy is a mere 100,000 light-years across. The existence of such a massive structure poses a significant challenge to our current understanding of the universe's evolution. According to the prevailing cosmological models, the universe is homogeneous and isotropic on large scales, meaning that matter is distributed evenly throughout space. Outro: keep exploring the cosmos. From diamond rain on distant planets to the hidden electrical power within our own brains, we've only just scratched the surface of the universe's most mind-blowing scientific truths. Each new discovery reminds us of the boundless wonders that await those who dare to explore the cosmos and question the world around them. Which fact blew your mind the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible science facts every week.